Welcome to JD's Prep. All right, so this question is about the Florida panther, whose population has been drastically reduced. They're estimating there are only 100 to 160 panthers in the wild, and saying that the Florida panther may not continue to evolve. So why is that? Okay, so the process of evolution, I want you to think about natural selection, where the members of a population, if they reproduce sexually, there's always variation. Okay, some of those variations are going to make that individual more likely to survive. And if that individual is more likely to survive, they're going to survive, they're going to reproduce, they're going to pass on that new trait. Okay, so that through that process, a species can evolve and adapt to maybe changing environmental conditions, for example. Okay, so we're being asked, why will the Florida panther no longer do that? Okay, so those variations happen because for various reasons, right? Mutations is a way that that variation can happen. However, mutations are still going to happen regardless of the size of the population. Okay, competition isn't really what we're talking about here. And for number 3, there's no longer a chance of a trait providing a reproductive advantage. There's definitely a chance that traits will still provide a reproductive advantage. So this isn't the right question. This last one talks about a lack of genetic variation, and that's our best answer. So in a small population, there is a lack of genetic variation because there's just less individuals in that population that all have different genes, okay? Lack of genetic variation might result in less variation that we're seeing in the population, and a less of an ability to adapt, to evolve to changing circumstances. All right, so number 4 is our answer. Thank you for using JD's Prep.